What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Really K in this thing. And if you want to see how I caught this beautiful setup today, keep watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe. It was so simple, y'all. We on EurUsd. I started off on the daily. On the daily, I saw that the overall bias was sales, but I like to know if it's a reason we should be going higher or lower. I saw this bullish fair value gap right here, but I also knew that this was what you call a breakaway gap. Usually breakaway gaps, it don't really come all the way into the area. And the way I knew this was a breakaway gap is because it went up so far. This third candle went very far. With regular fair value gaps, it don't really come up that far past the second candle. I knew that, and I went down to the 15-minute, right? I waited for what you call a sharp turn. That's where you see a bearish fair value gap towards the area, and then a bullish fair value gap away from the area. And I like to wait for rejections now. That's my thing. I used to enter on the candles itself, but I wait now. I saw this beautiful rejection candle right here. I entered on this candle. I saw that it swept the lows of the rejection of this candle. It swept the lows, then made a beautiful rejection candle. So I entered on that one and went for a 1 to 2. Now the biggest thing, I looked at the Dixie, right? On the daily for the Dixie, I saw this huge rejection from a bearish fair value gap. Now that was the real reason why I was confident in that trade. Down to the 15-minute, super simple. Look for a bearish fair value gap into the area, and then we got this strong rejection candle right here. That was good enough for me. I waited and made sure I saw what I needed to see on the euro. I entered on one of these candles. Once it pushed past this 200 EMA, I was even more confident, and we just started tanking. When this tanks, of course euro goes up. That was that on that. Let's look at Topstep. This is what it looked like on Topstep. Beautiful. That's how I entered right there. I gave it a little wiggle room. Once it passed these highs, I added to my position. I started off with 15 contracts in micro. Once it passed these highs, I added 3 more. I don't think you can go past 20. I wonder if that rule changed. Quick, simple trade, 1 to 2. These are the trades that's gonna help me pass my combine. I don't know if I'm gonna trade tomorrow. I want to start risking a little more. I be wanting to risk 250 to make 500. Oh, I didn't know I had minis. Well, we gonna probably start doing minis next week. All right. That was my trade for today. I appreciate y'all watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment any questions you got. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.